The 2022 vintage at Fantesca Estate Winery is about reflection. This is the 20th anniversary of Fantesca Estate Winery. Winemaker Tony Arcudi crafts excellence from the Russian River Valley. The King Richard's Reserve Pinot Noir. For me, this is a wine that evokes the warmth of Mother Nature. His wines are always opulent, but at the same time they speak of place, they speak of sight, they speak of his style. Tony Arcudi's wines, they have this density, they have an opulence, but at the same time the wines dance on their feet in such a way that when you go in for that next sip, you're ready for that glass. An opulent Pinot Noir you can drink now or share with friends and family in the years to come. Journey with us as we celebrate 20 years at Fantesca Estate Winery.